Oh! Welcome back to Lucky Dip. I am Sarah Marie and I can't wait to show you the gorgeous glowy products I have in this bag today. Absolutely loved it. I was like so happy. This is literally as if I went shopping and chose everything for myself. Let's get into it. Let's see what's inside our Lucky Dip mystery bag.
Shh.
Okay. Woo!
Ouch.
Barry M Glazed Gel Chrome Eyeshadow. I haven't used a chrome eyeshadow in like ages, so let's see how that goes. We've got the Patrick Ta 4-Phase Major Glow Cream and Powder Light Reflecting Translucent Highlighter Duo in Daddy. We've got e.l.f. Luminous Putty Bronzer. I love a cream bronzer. We've got e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. And we have the Bali Body Tinted Super Serum. That's all pretty promising, to be honest. I'm pretty happy with what I'm seeing here. Oh, there's no way. I just got these nails. I am not ruining my nails for anything. Okay, I'm gonna use the back of my... Why? Like, why would you put the barcode on the side and not the bottom? No, I'm gonna come back to that. That's like, no. All right, e.l.f. Luminous Putty Bronzer. Okay, cute, cute, cute. And the Patrick Ta. I love Patrick Ta. Back to this. Back to this. There we go. Oh, we got a seal. Wow. We really don't want anyone getting in, do we? Okay, I need scissors. Thanking you. This primer has a lovely squeezy container, so you could just kind of squeeze it and press. There we go. Again, a lovely gel texture, power grip primer. So let's put this on my face and see how it feels. Oh, it's sticky. Oh, I feel the grip. I feel the grip already, like it actually has a bit of a sticky texture. Usually with something grippy like that, you do need to let them settle. So I'm just gonna let that sit. Let's start with the Super Serum. I'm gonna use a foundation brush to apply this to my face. Luminous Putty Bronzer. So I'm going to put this on the areas where I would normally contour, so just like starting with the outside, bringing that a little bit underneath my cheekbone. I'm actually just gonna use my hands for this because I'm just using a very sheer foundation. I don't feel like I have to use a brush. I do feel like I can use my hands. I was watching a video recently with Salma Hayek, and I know I've probably mentioned her before because I am a little obsessed with her. And she was talking about how women don't like feel themselves enough. Like they're not touching their face, they're not like playing with their hair. And she really thinks that we should be doing that more because then you really like feel yourself. It's more sensual. You kind of get more in touch with your like feminine, inner feminine beauty. And I absolutely loved that because even just watching her do that and like doing this and looking into the mirror and touching my face and really like blending that in and feeling the curves of my jawline and or your nose. I don't know, I just feel a little bit more like I'm ready for the day. Like it's very empowering. I know it's something so small and simple and it sounds silly, but I do think you should give it a try. There's something to it. So I'm just patting this in and then I'm also using this as an eyeshadow base, but see how I'm just running it over my lids with my hands, like just with my fingers. Okay, now let's use the Patrick Ta. The Patrick Ta, I do feel like I do want to use a brush with this. I have a lot of product in my hand. I don't want to mix what I have into this particular palette. And I am actually going to use this the one that's a bit clearer, a bit more like a glowy, creamy gel. And I'm going to go in with a fluffy eyeshadow brush. You know I love a fluffy eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna close the little cover so I don't mix my powder with my cream. Get into this glowy powder here. Tap that on my hand and over my brow bone, just underneath my eyebrow. I'm gonna pat that in. I'm gonna put that on my eyelid, a little bit down the center. I'm gonna do the same with the other eye. Love that. I want to go in with this gel eyeshadow. And put a little bit of this on my eye, just have a look. Oh, you know what? Let's just use my hands for this one. I think we're going to be much better using our fingers. It's so interesting. I used to be so against using your hands when you did your makeup. Like that was a big no-no for me. And I'm understanding why some people love doing it now. I do think it depends on the product, but I personally am really enjoying using my hands today. Lovely soft hint of color. Again, I'm gonna get the Patrick tar. I'm gonna put this on my Cupid's bow of my lip. This little glowy bit here. Just pat, 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 pat. I am noticing I don't have a lip product, so I think I'm gonna have to call in my, what do we gonna call it? Dial a product, dial a friend, dial a help me, a lifeline. It's a U Beauty Lucky Dip Lifeline. I think I'm gonna have to call it in for a lip product here today. Oh, I caught it. All right, the Kind Collective Hydrating Lip Oil. This is actually, it's got even a nice glow to it. It's exactly what I need. Don't let the color deceive you. Sometimes you think things are dark, but when it's on, it's totally fine. See? Only thing I would add would be a touch of concealer. If I was at home, I would 100% use all of these products for a lovely day look, just with a touch of concealer, finished off with a translucent powder underneath my eyes, then I would have done the rest as is. There you have it. Thank you so much for joining me on Lucky Dip today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out the other videos we have here on U Beauty. And if you have any products you want me to try, any looks, or if you have any tips, write them in the comments below. See you next week.